Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P068B indicates an issue with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, regarding its power source circuit. Specifically, this fault code suggests that the voltage in the PGM-FI main relay 1 circuit is abnormal, which results in the PCM detecting this deviation and storing the trouble code. The PCM is a critical component that manages various aspects of engine and vehicle operation, relying on power from the PGM-FI main relay. This relay, located within the vehicle's relay box, plays a pivotal role in supplying power from the battery to the fuel injection system. When an issue arises, it can disrupt the entire engine management system. Ensuing diagnostic procedures are necessary to identify the root cause and rectify the issue. Proper diagnostics not only involves pinpointing the relay, but also understanding the intricacies of both the external circuit and the PCM itself as potential failure points. Thus, this troubleshooting guide aims to provide a comprehensive step-by-step approach to diagnose and resolve the P068B DTC effectively. DTC P068B denotes a problem where the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an unexpected voltage in the power source circuit, specifically through the PGM-FI main relay 1. The PCM is crucial as it governs the engine's performance and relies on accurate voltage levels to function properly. The PGM-FI main relay 1 is situated within the engine compartment's relay box, serving as a switch to control power to various engine management sensors and actuators. An abnormality in this voltage can signal fault conditions that might result in a compromised vehicle performance, triggering the PCM to log the DTC. The diagnosis will center around this relay, considering its failure could stem from a faulty component or wiring issues within the external circuit, potentially leading to significant engine management failures if not addressed promptly. The potential causes of the DTC P068B primarily stem from 3 areas: the PGM-FI main relay 1, shorted wiring in the external circuit, or a faulty PCM. If the PGM-FI main relay 1 is not functioning correctly, it may fail to provide adequate voltage to the PCM, thereby triggering this DTC. Additionally, any shorted wires in the external circuits between the relay and the PCM can affect the voltage feedback the PCM requires to operate smoothly, leading to misleading signals. Lastly, if the PCM itself is defective, despite all other components functioning as expected, it may be unable to accurately interpret the voltage levels and could erroneously store the DTC. Thorough diagnostics must be conducted to dissect these possibilities, ensuring each component is thoroughly tested to isolate the specific cause of the fault. Symptoms associated with DTC P068B can vary, but generally include an inability to start the engine, which is often the most alarming indication for the driver. As the PCM fails to receive adequate power, it may not execute its control functions, leading to erratic engine performance characterized by poor acceleration or stalling. Additionally, drivers may observe the battery warning light illuminating on the dashboard, indicating an electrical issue potentially linked to the PCM or the relay. These symptoms highlight the importance of addressing the issue immediately to prevent further complications. Without rectifying the underlying cause, driving the vehicle can lead to lasting damage to the engine management system and other related components. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P068B is to turn the ignition switch to the on position without starting the engine. This initiates the electrical systems, allowing for a preliminary check of the computer's response. Following this, it is imperative to confirm that the PCM connector is correctly positioned and secured, as a loose or disconnected connector can result in erroneous voltage readings. If the PCM behaves abnormally or fails to communicate, this could indicate a problem either with the PCM itself or with its power supply originating from the PGM-FI main relay. Ensuring proper connection and the integrity of the PCM wiring should be the primary focus before diving deeper into specific component inspection. This initial confirmation lays the groundwork for a systematic and comprehensive troubleshooting process. Step 2 involves carrying out a test of the PGM-FI main relay 1, as this component is directly tied to the PCM's power supply. Technicians should employ a multimeter to gauge the relay's operational status while observing for any signs of failure. A properly functioning relay will maintain the required voltage levels without significant deviation. In tandem with the relay test, technicians must inspect for shorted wires in the external circuit, particularly paying attention to the FI main RLA CL and FI main RLA out lines. This includes visual inspections for phase and continuity tests to ensure these wires are intact. Establishing that the relay and wiring are functioning properly is crucial. Any discrepancies found here can lead to further issues with power delivery to the PCM, necessitating immediate rectification. In the third troubleshooting step, focus shifts to inspecting the PCM directly. With the previous components ruled out, it's essential to assess the PCM for faults. This involves measuring voltage levels on the PCM connector, particularly at the power supply pins, ensuring they meet manufacturer's specifications. Any significant variance from these norms may indicate that the PCM is unable to function properly due to internal faulting or compromised connections. Carefully reconnecting any loose or damaged connectors may also be necessary during this inspection. Advanced tools like the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, may be employed to further assess PCM health, ensuring all its functions and inputs-outputs are appropriately operating. A faulty PCM detected in this stage will likely necessitate replacement if all other components are verified as functional. Upon completing repairs related to DTC P068B, the next crucial step is to clear the diagnostic trouble code from the system. This process resets the PCM's error history, allowing the vehicle's onboard computer to start fresh. After clearing the DTC, it is paramount to run a series of diagnostic tests to ensure that the repair was successful and that the system is functioning normally. Monitor the vehicle while operating under various conditions to verify that the fault does not reappear. Additionally, any fluctuation in voltage levels should be closely observed to confirm that all components are functioning harmoniously. This diligence ensures both the longevity of the repairs and the vehicle's reliability moving forward. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P068B, implementing a robust preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Regular inspections of the PGM-FI main relay 1 and other associated components should be conducted to preemptively identify issues before they escalate into major failures. Wiring checks should also form a part of routine upkeep, ensuring that insulation holds firm and connections remain sturdy against vibrations and environmental exposure. Keeping an eye on battery voltage levels can also alert drivers to potential power supply issues well in advance. Such strategies not only enhance the longevity of the PCM and relay, but also contribute to the overall health of the engine management system. Maintaining these components regularly can mitigate unexpected downtime and repair costs. In conclusion, the DTC P068B highlights a significant voltage issue affecting the Powertrain Control Module circuitry, primarily around the PGM-FI main relay 1. As this code can trigger various symptoms, ranging from engine starting issues to performance inconsistencies, timely diagnostics and repairs are paramount. By systematically confirming each component, starting from the relay to the wiring and finally the PCM itself, technicians can effectively pinpoint and rectify the root cause of the issue. Preventive maintenance tasks, such as regular inspections, can further mitigate risks of encountering this DTC in the future, ensuring the smooth operation of the vehicle. Keeping a watchful eye on the power supply system not only enhances the performance of the Honda Civic, but also contributes to the satisfaction and safety of the driver. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.